This brush claims to remove plaque 10 times more than a manual brush. This brush is a major workout for your wrist. You think you know which one wins? Most people get the answer wrong. Let me break down a list of pros and cons for each of these brushes side by side because the answer may surprise you. So for the electric toothbrush, the pros are it's more powerful. It often includes trackers or reminders via a Bluetooth app to help you build a better habit. It also does the work for you. You basically just turn the brush on and let it brush your teeth for you. You just kind of move it around. In terms of the cons, it's more powerful, which I know I mentioned that for the pros, but if you think about it, if your teeth are really sensitive, more powerful is not necessarily better. Another con to consider is the Bluetooth connectivity or app features. We are surrounded by a bunch of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth stuff, and all the EMFs add up. So if you're concerned about that, something to consider with an electric toothbrush. And then the last con, electric toothbrushes are definitely more expensive than manual brushes, by a mile. Now, let's talk about manual toothbrushes. Now, in terms of the pros for manual toothbrushes, generally speaking, the bristles on a manual toothbrush are softer than those on an electric toothbrush. Of course, it depends on the brand. And the reason is electric toothbrushes are more powerful, so their bristles need to be a little bit more robust. Now, of course, you can pick up a hard bristled manual toothbrush, but in general, the softest manual brush is still going to be softer than the softest electric toothbrush. Another pro is that manual toothbrushes are much cheaper than electric toothbrushes. Also, there are no EMFs to speak of, and the battery never runs out because there is no battery. In terms of the cons, there's really just one major con, and that is you have to do the work yourself. It doesn't do the work for you. So realistically, you're spending 2 minutes doing this, and that can be pretty tiring for some, especially if you have dexterity issues or problems with your wrists or arthritis or anything like that. Now, before I give the final verdict, just wanted to remind you that I am offering a free Smile Reset guide. I've made a neat little list of all the common dental issues and what specific solutions to look for. Plus, I'll send some exclusive discounts to my favorite products when you sign up for that free guide. Or you can skip wasting all that time on doing your own research and just hop on a one-on-one coaching call with me so we can get straight to the point in figuring out a game plan for improving your oral health. Links to both of those things down below. Now, as I mentioned, there are pros and cons to both electric and manual toothbrushes, but here's what no one tells you. Both can absolutely fail you if your technique is trash. You see, it's not about how expensive or how powerful your manual toothbrush is, or how sustainable the handle is on your manual toothbrush. The biggest thing that's going to make your brush work well for you is how well you use your brush. I know it sounds ridiculous and common sense, but you'd be surprised most people don't brush correctly, either with an electric or a manual toothbrush. In fact, I've seen some people do a better job with a manual brush than other folks who use a top-of-the-line electric toothbrush. The truth is, if used correctly, neither is necessarily better. I've personally used a manual toothbrush all my life. Occasionally, I would use an electric toothbrush, particularly when I'm trying out samples for my YouTube channel. To be honest, if I'm super tired, most of the time I end up just using my manual toothbrush and not doing as great of a job, but then the next day I'll catch up and do a really thorough job at brushing. But the point is, I use mostly a manual toothbrush and my teeth and gums are great. So it really depends on your preference, and you kind of have to be honest with yourself. Are you willing to put in the work to brush correctly with a manual toothbrush for the full 2 minutes? Because if you're going to be consistently brushing in a rush, then it's probably better to use an electric, because side by side, using a manual toothbrush for 30 seconds versus using an electric for 30 seconds, you're going to get more gunk off with the electric toothbrush. Of course, that also leaves the problem to consider. If you're using an electric toothbrush wrong, it is much more powerful, so potentially can cause that much more damage. So either way, bottom line, the choice is yours, but just make sure that whatever you end up using, you're using it correctly. If you guys aren't sure, make sure to check out one of these 2 demos here, whether it be with an electric or a manual, to make sure your technique is correct. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.